At Nithons, every instrument and every component undergoes rigorous quality inspection protocols to guarantee stable performance and long-term durability. Today, we'll walk you through the core testing procedure for this mechanical pressure gauge and chamber pressure sensors. This is where this benchtop high-pressure pump comes into play. It enables inspection within a 0 to 208 MPa pressure range, delivering stable pressure control and easy operation. This test fixture features 3 ports: 1 reference port for the master gauge, and 2 test ports compatible with various fitting tabs for different pressure gauges. This setup ensures versatile inspection capabilities for multiple pressure instruments. We mount the test pressure gauge or sensor onto the benchtop pump, connect the reference grade pressure conducer to the computer, apply pressure, then the software displays real-time data. Compare stabilize the reading against the test gauge's dial indication to determine pass or fail status. If a pressure gauge fails inspection, it will undergo mandatory return to vendor process. This ensures strict quality control at the source, guaranteeing all components comply with API performance specifications.